Hi, it's Miss Best, and this is a short video on how to use the D2L course site. The link to the site is listed on the Google Classroom classwork page. You can also access the site using http://yrdsb.elearningontario.ca. When you click the link, you'll be taken to the login page. Click on Student Login and then use your GAPS email and password. I'll log in as staff. If this is your first time in the course, you'll need to link your D2L course to your GAPS account. Enter your course, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and follow the instructions. If you're unsure, I have posted a video in Google Classroom called Linking Gaps to D2L. This explains how to link your accounts. The course icons. The D2L course homepage organizes the course information. You will use the icons listed at the top of the page to navigate the course. Course home, content, Dropbox, discussions, rubrics, class lists, Teach Assist. Course home takes you to the home page where you will find the news feed, the activity feed, calendar, and upcoming events. Upcoming events will list assignments that are due on Fridays by 5 p.m. I've posted the daily lessons chart on the news feed. See the video, Daily Lessons Overview. If you are unsure how to use the daily lessons chart. This video is also on Google Classroom. I will use Activity Feed to post information as we go through the course. The most recent items will be displayed at the top of the feed. The content item takes you to the units and activities. Units and activities are numbered and correspond to the units and activities listed on the daily lessons chart. Clicking on the unit box, select Activity, and then select Content. Read all the content by scrolling down, then locate the discussion or Dropbox assignment and submission links. You can enlarge the page like this. So you would scroll down, read through the content, watch a video if there's one there, read the um, assignment, and then you will see links for either join the discussion for discussion assignments or submit your work for Dropbox assignments. Use these links to submit your work. You can also use the Dropbox icon and discussions icon at the top of the page to submit your work. Discussion posts are typically typed directly on the D2L course site. Dropbox assignments will be typed using Google Docs, Google Slides, MS Word, etc., and then uploaded to the D2L course. So I can press Escape. And now let's look at Dropbox assignments. These assignments can be accessed two ways: through the Submit Your Work links in the content pages, as we just saw, or through this icon, the Dropbox icon at the top of the screen. Click on the Dropbox icon to see a complete list of the required Dropbox assignments. Click on the title of the assignment, choose Add a File, and locate your file on your own computer or your Google Drive. You can upload a file from your desktop or your Google Drive. Your Google Drive must be linked to D2L. Do not submit assignments in the comment box. You can also choose to record an audio assignment if the assignment allows for this option. Discussion assignments. Discussion assignments can also be accessed in two ways: through the Join the Discussion links in the content pages or through the discussion icons at the top of the screen. Clicking on the discussions icon will show a complete list of the discussions required in the course. Click on the discussion and then start a new thread. Enter a title in the subject line. and post your responses in the discussion box. It is best to embed images, videos, etc., rather than post links which may not work. So here is how to insert if you were using an ePortfolio where we're not, or links. Use this link here to enter things from your Google Drive, to enter a URL from online. And this is where you would, if you were using a YouTube video, you would copy the URL, type it in or paste it in here, and then put in the title. If you do not complete your post in one sitting, save as draft and return to it when you are ready. When you click post, everyone will be able to see your discussion. You cannot edit your posts. After your post is submitted, read through the class discussions and select one by clicking the title, and click on Reply to Thread to post your response. You must respond to at least one person, although you may respond to more than one if you wish. Rubrics. I will post rubrics on Turnitin and discussion rubrics on D2L. Please note, not all Dropbox assignments will be run. All Dropbox assignments will be run through Turnitin, which checks for originality. It's important that you submit your own work. You will see your originality score when you submit your Dropbox assignments. Lower scores are best. The class list icon will allow you to see the names of your classmates. The Teach Assist icon is a quick way for you to check your grades. Good luck with the course. I encourage you to email me with any questions or concerns. Thank you.